Dear viewers, welcome to Murads kitchen. Today we're gonna show you how to make Greek style Filo custard roll. First of all, we need the syrup. We're gonna add some sugar and water. We're going to add some lemon to it. Viewers, first part was the syrup, now the second part. Now we're going to make the custard itself. We put our milk, let it to boil. We're going to add bit of vanilla. Well, you can use the fresh vanilla if you have the fresh vanilla. Take a fresh vanilla pot and then scrub the seeds, put it in, and with the pods put inside, and that will do the job. That's the best way of doing it. Now we're gonna put some eggs. We're going to add our sugar, corn flour, and the semolina. That's our semolina. Mix them well. We need a pinch of salt with that. Pinch of salt. Now we're going to tempering them. Little bit of milk, so we warm them up. And then what you're going to do, slowly, when the temperature rises, you're going to add them. If you add all of them together, the egg is going to curdle, so basically it's going to look like a scrambled egg. We don't want that. Now we put them back to the pan. Now we're going to put everything together. Viewers, have a look at it. It's really thick now. We're going to take the flame out. We're going to leave them to cool now. We put it in a side. Viewers, we're going to brush them with the butter. Viewers, we got the Filo pastry now. We're going to brush them with butter. And then we put our custard mixture. We're going to roll them now. Viewers, if they are not perfect, don't worry about it. Viewers, we're gonna brush them with melted butter now. Viewers, now we're gonna put it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, 180 degrees Celsius. Viewers, they just come out of the oven. They are really hot and crispy. Now we're going to put our cold sugar syrup to it. Viewers, we are putting our cold sugar syrup. Viewers, it's nice if you keep them overnight in the syrup, but if it's about 20-25 minutes or half an hour after that, that's going to be lovely. Now we're going to present it. Viewers, that's my beautiful, yummy, delicious dessert. Enjoy and bon appetit. Oh, look at that, how cute they look. They taste even better. Enjoy, bon appetit.